Hello and welcome to the daily message for this Saturday in the fifth week of Lent. This is the first time that we've had a daily message on a Saturday, but because of the importance of Lent and because of our current circumstances with the coronavirus, we felt it was important to continue to do the daily message on Saturdays and Sundays. And so continuing with our reflections that come to us from Creighton University, I want to call your attention very briefly to something that's contained in the section called Daily Meditation. It says there that we are ready to enter into the Passion drama and to celebrate the Paschal mystery. And so my suggestion as we prepare for Holy Week upcoming is that we don't watch the Passion drama and the Paschal mystery from afar, from a distance. We are not casual observers of the Passion drama and the Paschal mystery. We are in it. We are part of it. We are part of the Paschal mystery in our daily lives. And we do that when we love one another, when we love every person in our lives without counting the cost. When we do that, we are participating in the Passion drama. When we suffer because we love, when we're willing to suffer for those whom we love, we are entering into the Paschal mystery. We are entering into the Passion drama. I offer those reflections for your consideration today. I hope you continue to stay safe and healthy. And I look forward to presenting a daily message all through Holy Week and into the Easter season. Thank you so much for watching today.